In this video, I'll show you how to solve in case your Samsung A26 or A36 doesn't have any sound coming out of its speakers. Could be because of many different reasons. First thing you need to try is to restart your phone, reboot. Nothing will be deleted. So simply drag down from the top right corner, select the power button, and then click on restart. You may have to confirm, wait 2 minutes, and after doing this, fortunately, the sound will be back. If you're still having issues, what I can suggest is that you click on the volume button, any of them, and then click on the 3 dots over here. Now you're going to have the volume of every features of your phone. Okay, let me redo it. So you have over here the volume in the settings, or let's say when you type on the keyboard on your phone or stuff like that. You have your ringtone notification. You have your notification volume. You have your ringtone volume. And finally, over here, you have your media volume. So when you watch YouTube or listen to music, this is where you can control it. So maybe one of these was completely off while the rest was on, or other things. So just make sure that these are high up and test your phone again to see if the audio is back. If you're still having issues, what I can suggest is you go over here, settings, press on the cogwheel, go down and check to see if there's a software update available. You see software update, tap here, download and install, and if there is one, go ahead and install it. Sometimes it's a major issue and this can solve your issue because you're not the only one having it, and Samsung has fixed it with the update. Finally, if nothing is working, I also suggest you check to see if there's a Bluetooth device connected to your phone. Sometimes you forget that there is one connected and the sound actually going to the phone, to the other device, and this is where you don't hear anything. So drag down, settings, connections, Bluetooth, and over here, turn this off. And now go ahead and test to see if the phone, the audio is coming out of the phone. So open your music app or whatever you're trying to listen to. If nothing works, I suggest you do a factory reset. Drag down, select settings, the cogwheel, magnifying glass. From here, type reset. Click on reset, go down and select factory data reset. Everything will be wiped out. You'll have to set up your phone again, but if this is a major issue for you, this is the last resort option that I suggest. And yeah, your phone will be like brand new, and fortunately the volume will also be back. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if one of these worked, and I'll see you in the next video.